let's shop our fridge and freezer and what we can do and eat and make from what we do have, and then once we eat everything, we'll go and restock the fridge.
Just order online. This is the beef that I'll be using. It is Angus beef fajita.
Before I do another full-blown grocery haul, I told the kids we had to eat the things that we already have in the freezer and the fridge before we go do another big grocery haul, buy any more groceries. We need to shop our fridge and freezer. That's a good way to put it. Let's shop our fridge and freezer and what we can do and eat and make from what we do have, and then once we eat everything, we'll go and restock the fridge. So what we do have is we have like some beef strips to make. I bought that to do tacos. So we've got everything that we want to do to make tacos tonight, or I can do like quesadillas depending on which ones the kids want. Either way, before I can even do that, I need to get my fridge and my kitchen area all together, because personally for me, I do not feel the desire to cook in a messy, cluttered, just funky area, and my fridge is overdue for a deep clean because I have kids that don't clean up behind themselves. I mean, they have a personal maid that I have not met yet that is apparently supposed to clean up after them, but there's several spills in the fridge and just some tidiness that I want to do to get it together to make it make a little bit more sense, and also clean up the kitchen area that I'm going to be working in. And I'm going to do that, and then once I do that, I'm going to cook dinner and feed the kids. So let's get started. The kitchen was overdue for a deep clean, and this is my last week of year 34. Going into year 35, I have a sudden boost of energy and the want to just deep clean, declutter, and organize my living area to prepare for entering into this year. And I'm gonna be honest, I have not cleaned my fridge probably in a couple of months, so it felt good to just go through and organize things, get rid of anything that we need to throw out that may be expired, or just making it easily accessible for the boys to access the things that they want and need out of the fridge. And I felt like, being that we're shopping from our fridge and freezer before we go for another big grocery haul, this will also be helpful to easily grab the things and see what we do have. Also, prior to going to do our next grocery haul, the fridge will be spotless. I'll probably just need to wipe everything down before placing new items in the freezer and the fridge. So I hope you enjoy while I organize and clean my kitchen, fridge, and also stay tuned for the end for the latest meal that I made for the kids.
where some things were. So one, I appreciate you guys for that. Definitely leave a comment and let me know anything that I don't know about this game. We'll check out pretty much everything that we can check out. Now, there was somebody that told me there was not a lot of not terrible. But the first thing I gotta do is, wow, I had to do that. Now, the second thing I gotta do is, I feel like we have content. Only forgot where I was saying.
The Magnets. Sup guys, this is Michael. Yo, legendary.
Fridge is clean, stove is clean, dishes for the most part are washed, so we're going to start cooking. And like I told you earlier, I'm doing beef tacos, beef strip tacos. I would call them steak tacos, but technically this is the beef that I'll be using. It is Angus beef fajitas, fire grilled sliced beef strips. So I'm gonna throw this in the pan and get ready to make our fajitas. Yeah. You want ranch? This is my plate. About to throw down. You wanna get your ranch? This is Bray's. He's a simple guy. No lettuce, no tomato, no sour cream. He likes to dip his in ranch. He's getting ready to get that in the fridge. And then we're about to see if it's bussin' or bussin'. Here we go. Tastes like bonfire. This is good. Bray's giving it bonfire quality. I'm giving it bussin'. You're not?
I am. It's good.